Hello, my friends. Today, I want to share a simple story. But it's not just a story, it's a lesson in courage and learning. Let's begin. I walk into a coffee shop on a cold morning. My hands are cold and my heart beats fast. Today, I will order my coffee in English for the first time. I stand in line. I repeat the words in my head. Hi, can I have a small latte, please? I've practiced many times, but now it's real. The barista smiles and says, Hi there, what can I get for you? Suddenly, I panic. My mind goes blank, and I say, One small coffee latte. Thank you. The barista pauses, then smiles kindly. You mean a small latte? I feel embarrassed, but I nod. Yes, a small latte, please. She says, No problem. What's your name for the cup? Again, I freeze. I wasn't ready for that. I reply, Sarah, with an H. She laughs softly and says, Coming right up, Sarah with an H. I laugh too. People behind me smile. No one is judging me. They're kind. I take my coffee, sit down, and I feel proud. Yes, I made a mistake, but I spoke English. I tried. And next time, I'll do it even better. The lesson. Mistakes are part of learning. Be brave. Speak up. Even small steps can take you far. You can do it. Yes, you can.